What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best 1440p gaming monitors in 2021 through extensive research and testing. I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save a bit of money and still get a solid quality product, we say check out the Gigabyte G27Q, also known as the best budget 1440p gaming monitor available on the market in 2021. Gigabyte G27Q offers a combination of specs that is favorable among many PC players: 27 inches, 1440p, 144Hz and IPS, and does so at an irresistibly low price. The Gigabyte G27Q has a native resolution of 2560 by 1440 with the standard 16:9 aspect ratio. The small bezels allow the panel to shine and are large enough to perform multiple tasks without overloading your desk. The stand is simple with a cable management slot while offering height and tilt adjustment, but without twisting. You can mount the VISA G27Q if you want to mount the screen on a wall or a custom arm. The Gigabyte G27Q uses an IPS panel with a 144Hz refresh rate and a response time of 1 ms. You are bound to appreciate this resolution of clarity and performance. If you spend all of your time playing CSGO or Valorant, updating to 144Hz could slow them down a bit, but for most users, this will be no hassle. Based on the IPS board, the Gigabyte G27Q monitor offers accurate, consistent, and vivid colors with wide viewing angles of 178 degrees, which prevents gamma saturation changes and makes the image perfect no matter which angle you look at the screen. Furthermore, it allows users to adjust the height of the screen up to 12 inches from its lowest level, as well as the tilt from -5 degrees to +20 degrees. The connections of this monitor are different, but at the same time, honest and precise. 2 HDMI 2.0 slots, 1 DisplayPort 1.2, as well as 2 USB 3.0 ports next to its input port. This panel covers 99.7% sRGB color space, standard color space used on the web, and many other applications, which should be suitable for typical business use. This monitor has one of the highest maximum brightness values we have seen, along with top-notch colors. For the listed price, we are beyond impressed. If you're in pursuit of the top bang for the buck, we say look no further than the LG UltraGear 27GP850B, also known as the best value 1440p gaming monitor available on the market in 2021. The 27-inch model of the UltraGear line of gaming screens delivers the goods with an excellent image and quality gaming properties. The Lightning screen comes with a response time of 1 ms and can be overclocked from the native 165Hz up to 180Hz. With the VISA display HDR400, there is no real HDR experience, but the DCI-P3 color space must be covered up to 98% and enable bright colors. To stop tearing and stuttering, AMD's FreeSync Premium is added to the mix, which of course does not exclude NVIDIA cards with G-Sync compatible certification. Furthermore, the LG 27GP850 control unit is available under the monitor. It consists of a 5-way joystick without buttons. The coverage of the sRGB color space of the game monitor is interesting. It is obviously exceeded, and therefore the monitor is not only suitable for pure gaming, but is also well made for image or video processing. In addition to a convincingly wide color space, this LG model can also achieve color accuracy, which is now the standard for current IPS panels. The menu interface has also been very nicely changed. It's similar to the OSD for games, which recently received, among other things, OLED devices of the 2021 generation. It looks sleek, modern, and also convenient. Furthermore, in terms of technical equipment, the monitor also impresses with a solid list of features. We are looking at a low input delay, and the absence of ghosting combined with a maximum of 180Hz for the refresh rate clearly defines the monitor for fast-paced esports. We also like the combination of QHD resolution and size of 27 inches, as the device does not overwhelm the graphics card and still allows high FPS in the appropriate games. All in all, the displayed image does not appear as rough in detail as, for example, in the Full HD model. For the listed price, you can't beat this guy. The next product on our list for today is ViewSonic Elite XG270QG, also known as the best G-Sync 1440p gaming monitor that can be found on the market in 2021. We are looking at a 27-inch model that has a QHD IHD panel that offers a refresh rate of 165Hz and also has a G-Sync module that secures the added value that many users are looking for. The device sports a 27-inch IPS nano color panel and a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, along with a 16:9 aspect ratio. However, two things that make it great for games are the refresh rate of 165 Hz and response time of 1 ms. Another advantage of this monitor is the ability to adjust its base to secure that perfect position. The device allows height adjustment with a stroke of 120mm, as well as horizontal rotation between -90 degrees and +90 degrees, or tilt between -5 degrees and +20 degrees, where it can be rotated and set vertically. Other important details are the headphone holder on one side and the base with a cable management system. In the connections section, we are looking at a video input HDMI 1.4 and DisplayPort 1.2. Also included in the mix is a 3.5mm headphone jack with a connector and 3-port USB 3.1 Gen 1 hub, as well as a power connector. As expected, the IPS panel of this model behaves perfectly in terms of color reproduction, exceeding 100% sRGB space and reaching 89% Adobe RGB, so we could even use it for professional level design, although you obviously need calibration for that purpose. The ViewSonic Elite XG270QG is one of the best gaming monitors we can find on the market if we're looking for a great combination of QHD resolution in 27 inches and a refresh rate of 165 Hz. As already pointed out, it also offers a G-Sync module that perfects the gaming experience with top-notch frame sync if we use NVIDIA graphics. On the other hand, the product features a fully adjustable base, LED lighting that adorns its lower margin and back, or details such as a headphone holder or USB hub. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. If you are looking for an ultra-wide gaming monitor, we have the perfect solution for you. Check out the LG UltraGear 34GN850B, the king of this domain on the 2021 market. The LG UltraGear 34GN850B monitor is a top gaming monitor, which in addition to playing, works perfectly in the design, multimedia, and multitasking domain on all fronts. The device sports a quad UHD resolution, HDR, FreeSync, G-Sync, screen refresh at 144 Hz, 1900R, and HDR10 curvature. The panel installed by the LG 34GN850B is a nano IPS screen with a 34-inch IPS pixel structure. It has an original refresh rate of 144 Hz that can be taken up to 160 Hz at overclock. This panel offers impressive color rendering in sRGB, which is ideal for editing photos on a professional level. This monitor offers an almost perfect viewing experience with its viewing angle of 178 degrees, especially horizontally, which is why you'll have a clear image when looking at the monitor from the side. Furthermore, the monitor has a 10-bit panel, exactly 8-bit plus FRC, and interprets 10-bit content in an exceptional manner that offers a spectacular color display. Also, a big advantage in games is that it has a 1900R curvature that allows for greater immersion, covers greater peripheral vision, provides greater visual comfort, and images are perceived larger. Top-notch stuff. The LG 34GN850B monitor has a 21:9 aspect ratio with a high-end resolution of 3440 by 1440. This feature makes this fella an ideal monitor for multitasking, secures an impressive gaming experience, and allows you to see details with great clarity. In terms of brightness, the levels are good in all conditions, offering 400 nits, and there should be no problems in a bright room. On the other hand, if we look at the monitor from the side, the brightness is still excellent, and we'll see the exact image, characteristic of IPS panels. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. And finally, after all the carefully summarized reviews, opinions, and experiences, we have reached the gold medal and the title of the best overall 1440p gaming monitor that can be found on the market in 2021. Unanimously, the winner is Samsung Odyssey G7. We are looking at a top-level curved monitor specially designed for playing games. This fella delivers surprisingly exceptional results in a solid casing with no unnecessary features and flashy stuff. This model packs the 1000mm curve, which in addition to reducing the side and top frames, along with an aggressive design at the bottom, is topped by two RGB LED screens at each end. The base is adjustable in height up to 10 inches and will be able to tilt between -9 degrees and +13 degrees, rotate between 15 degrees and +15 degrees, as well as between -2 and 92 degrees. The monitor is made primarily of black plastic with metal finishes for that extra robustness. Obviously, we start with the monitor screen, which is perhaps the most relevant among all the features. We are looking at a 32-inch VA panel with a 16:9 aspect ratio, very typical and already pretty well proven among users. For this monitor, Samsung opted for QLED, a technology that has achieved quite a bit of success. The original monitor resolution is 2560 by 1440 pixels, which isn't bad at all, allowing you to enjoy next-generation PC games, as well as absolute compatibility with devices like the PlayStation 5. Another great advantage is the refresh rate, which is the highest on the market without overclocking, reaching up to a great 240 Hz. Moving on to connectivity, we'll find two standard-sized USB 3.0 ports, a traditional USB hub port in case we want to add some more interesting add-ons, as well as two DisplayPort 1.4 ports and an HDMI 2.0 port, so you won't miss absolutely anything. Overall, this fella delivers a top-notch performance, high quality, all wrapped up in the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best? You got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.